morning everyone, I hope you all are doing well. Today we are already up bright and early and we're en route to our next destination. I would just like to use this opportunity to thank any and all who have commented and have subscribed to us. Thank you guys so much for your support and watching our videos. I know Ellen and I still have a lot to learn, but thank you for always giving us tips and tricks along the way. We usually like to take you guys along with our journey to explore new places, but today is going to be a little bit different. We are heading to our destination today, which is Kanchanaburi, and when we get there, we're going to explore a place that I dare say not many people have gone to. We're going to be exploring an abandoned paper mill. Now at Kanchanaburi and we're almost reaching our accommodation. You know, 1 month on the road and most of the time we're in Thailand. We've seen more or less all of the road. We did sort of like a big round around Thailand, went through Laos, although we had to U-turn back, but we went up again towards the north and now we are back down, I would say around the central region of Thailand. We are here at the abandoned paper mill. We're gonna go in and walk around and explore. The history on this place actually dates back all the way to World War II. It was first opened up in 1938 before the war started in 1941. Something special to note is that this is actually the second paper mill ever to open up in Thailand. The first one they opened up in Bangkok. So this actually symbolizes at that time a change in the society from agricultural to an industry period. Got some broken glass over here. Yep, so this area we can't enter for safety reasons, of course. We shall walk around. You can really see how old the building actually is. Everything is, of course, worn down, the paint is coming off, the windows are cracked, wires hanging everywhere. This is the big machines that they have. It looks like a big barn. But yeah, everything is overgrown, it's messy. Really like something out of a movie set, eh? That's where the fire would be. So this is a heating process of sorts because there's a big furnace over there and then that's where the fire would be and it will burn. And all the smoke will come out from the top there. We're inside the paper mill right now, so I can see all the old machinery. This is a giant weighing scale. Capacity 500 kg. Oh, that's a lot. These, I assume, it's where they press the paper. So once they finish grinding it to a pulp, drying it out, they gotta press it flat. With that, we've come to the last episode of Season 1 of Chasing North.
we will actually be creating and shipping our bike to the next destination to continue on our journey all the way to Norway. I will see you in season 2, which we will be starting off in South Korea. Drop a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!